now what we want to do is we want to make sure that the deformation of the mesh follows the bones the way we want to. And let's look at example. First off, I'm going to go here to this person, and I want to go to viewport display, and I want to turn my bones on in front so that I can see them even when I'm in like all the different types of display ports. All right, so that now that I can see this, let's go to pose mode. That's how we actually move our bones, and some of this is moving pretty well. So if I move this, it's not too bad. Like, I can imagine animating these ears so that they move in a nice way. I could like select all of them. But you see here, when I move this one, it's actually moving too much of the head. And maybe if I go like this also is moving too much. So, or when I move my arm here, it's actually moving part of the head. So this automatic weight, skin weight, isn't working. So I'm gonna have to go through and I'm gonna have to do this manually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to object mode, select the character. You have to select the armature, select the character, and I'm gonna go to, and it opens up a new level of stuff that I can select. So I'm gonna go to weight paint. All right, and what you're gonna notice is a bunch, and we're right here, a bunch of these vertex groups. And let's just go to chest here, or neck. All right, let's do neck. And you're gonna see that there's these colors. Blue means there's no influence, and red means full influence. So if I start painting here, if I press the letter F, I can make my brush bigger or smaller. So I want it a little bit bigger, and I start painting here. And what I want is I want my head to be completely constrained or controlled by my neck joint, which is this one right here. And I want to go in here and I want to really just make everything red, because I don't want the arm, I don't want the ears, I don't want all of those things controlling my head. I only want the neck to move the head, because the head shouldn't actually be, it should be pretty solid actually. So I'm going in here and I'm painting these weights. My weight is 1, my radius is however big I make this, and my strength is 1. I'm going to make it the full strength. And one of the difficult things or annoying things is if you want to test this, you have to leave weight paint and go to pose to see if it's working. But let's just go to left clavicle, and you're gonna see that it does still have a little bit of influence here. Let's go upper arm. So upper arm doesn't have any influence on the head anymore, so that's good. We didn't want that anymore. Lower arm also does not have any influence, so this is all good. Let's check this one. All right, and now let's go to object mode and let's select our armature, and let's try pose mode and see if that makes a difference. So now when I move this, all right, so now my head is not moving anymore when I move my arm, but unfortunately what is moving? My eye. Okay, armature, left eye right here, paint weight, and I want this to be only my neck. Again, neck, and I want it to be red, and I might turn on, all right, there we go. And I need to go inside also, there we go. Select my armature, pose, And still being moved a bit, probably from the clavicle. All right. So let's go back. And now I have to do something kind of strange, which is I'm gonna go to my left clavicle, and it looks blue, but actually it's not like dark blue. So unfortunately, I now have to go to like clavicle, upper arm, and lower, maybe lower. I need it to be that dark blue, right? So I'm gonna go to lower arm here, and I'm gonna turn my weights off completely. I'm gonna go here, and I'll be in this mode, so it's like on both sides. And now it's that dark blue that I was looking for. Does that? Now it's not affecting the eye. All right, good. This is exactly what we want. And let's check this. Is there any weird deformations going on with the head? All right, that's looking pretty good.